Today I'm thrilled to share something truly special with you. I am creating a portrait of one of the most iconic figures in history, not just a singer but a legend who transformed music, dance, and entertainment forever. Yes, I am talking about the king of pop, Michael Jackson. I'll be capturing one of his most famous poses where he balanced effortlessly on the toes of one foot, arm elegantly extended with his other hand placed on his chest. This moment represents not just a stance but the heart and soul of his performance. Michael's journey begins in 1958 in Gary, Indiana, where he was destined for greatness. By age 6, he was already performing with the Jackson 5, stealing the spotlight with his voice and moves. After going solo in the early 70s, he redefined what was possible in music. His 1982 album Thriller didn't just break records, it became the best selling album of all time. What I admire most about Michaels is his relentless drive, not just to succeed but to innovate. He didn't just perform, he created new moves like the moonwalk, turning dance into storytelling. This is the energy I am to capture today, the story behind every step and the passion that made Michaels extraordinary. As I started working on his portrait, I feel connected to his energy through this legendary pose. There is something powerful about how he stands mid motion yet timeless. The way he holds himself speaks volumes about his artistry and connection. with the audience. His white gloves contrast beautifully with his black outfit, symbolizing his unique style and stage presence. This pose with his legs crossed exhorts a blend of confidence and grace that is truly mesmerizing. I am excited to bring out the depth of emotion in his face, the smooth lines of his silhouette, and the moment in his stance. The texture of the charcoal allows me to express the elegance of his pose, making it feel almost alive on the paper. I prefer to keep the stroke natural and textured, avoiding blending with my fingers or toes, allowing the charcoal to showcase the energy and emotions of Michael's iconic stance. Each stroke echoes the rhythm of his dance moves, creating a vibrant reflection of his character. Completing this portrait was not just about drawing, it was about honoring a legend and the moments he created through music and dance. Michael's life wasn't just about music. He was humanitarian, a dreamer, and a symbol of hope for millions. Despite the challenges, his art always spoke louder than anything else. Here it is, the finished piece, a tribute to man who didn't just move, he moved the world. This iconic pose captured in charcoal celebrates the king of pop legacy. Michael Jackson teaches us that greatness comes from pushing boundaries, taking risks, and never giving up. If you appreciate this kind of art, or if you like to see more personalized portrait, feel free to reach out. I am always eager to explore new creative projects and commission, and it's my pleasure to bring unique moment to life through my art. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and remember, like Michael Jackson, never stop dreaming, creating, and believing in yourself. Thank you.